people, so much and so forth, every trade. But they could not find anyone able to tackle the issue of construction workers. No, why so? Gentlemen, have you understood what is the reason that construction labor did not want to learn? Because of first, demand supply. Every day there was a shortage of construction workers, so anybody walked there, साहब मैं काम करने को तैयार हूँ, अरे आजा आजा. Before the other contractor would take him, he would say आजा आजा, because he is always needed. Second, he did not need to learn. He was getting $400 anyway. Why does he need a certificate? Nobody. He doesn't need a certificate. Therefore, there was no question of training him. So many institutions and many companies, their own in-house, tried to train the people, but didn't really work. So we studied the mental mindsets of these people and decided there has to be some way we can train them. Some way we can convince them that learning would give them a lot of self-respect also, would give them better wages, and could really improve things for the construction industry. So what we realized is, how did one learn to become a mason? He would work with some good mason under his hands, and while supposing I'm a good mason and I'm teaching somebody under me, when I used to smoke a cigarette, laga do thar laga de, jara ye thoda char eat laga de. So he would put it on. He would not know how the joint size would be, how the plaster, how the mortar has to be put in properly, and whatnot. We would go, or some relative was the mason would come, we would sit chatting, and that fellow would do job, not knowing what the mix is, and eventually after 2 or 3 years he would become a mason. He has already picked up the good and bad habits of the mason under whom he learned, without me knowing what he did. Why did the brick had to be soaked? Why was the joint size so much? Why there has to be a breaking of joints if at all we want to do good construction? Nothing. Because nobody told him this. But he did it. That mason told him, oh, sanda ek ke upar mat rakhna, thoda break karna. So it broke it. Okay. So he took 3 years. He took 3 years to learn all this. Now we started appealing. What we told this labor is that if you do 3 training courses with us of 2 months, something that gave you 400 rupees to 600. Today a common labor in Pune, I'm talking of Pune circumstances, gets about 350 rupees a day, and a good mason gets 600 rupees. So we started telling them that, gentlemen, अगर आप 350 रुपया 3 साल के बाद कमाने वाले हो 600 रुपया, अगर आप मेरे पास 2-3 महीने 3 बार सीखते हो और 1.5 साल काम करते हो, जो हम सिखाते हैं उसका आप इस्तेमाल करते हो, you learn to practice what we teach you, you will get 600 rupees, we assure you that. That was one thing that appealed to them. And that's how this reaction started. And today, Kushal is a winner of 6 prestigious awards. That is, Tata Institute of Social Sciences has also recognized the effort of training for construction workers, and one of the best training things they've taken up so far. I will share with you a film instead of speaking of what we've done. It's a 7 or 8 minute film. Then probably we'll have a question answer session. Okay? Kidhar hai beta? Wastage on their sites has reduced by 5 to 6%. Now just imagine that on a construction site of 1 lakh square feet, and the construction cost is 15 lakhs, and it is about 15 crores of construction worth, and wastage is about 5% or 7%. 75 rupees में अगर तुम्हारा 5 rupees भी बच गया, and 1 lakh square feet में you have saved 10 lakh rupees easily, and that is happening on sites of Pune. So we are very hopeful that this will happen in India. We are already tying up with Noida. Noida will start. We have Chennai wanting to talk to us. So wish me luck, and wish that all of us in India work very sincerely to train the construction labor of India. Thank you very much.